A short moral story, The Parrot and the Crow. In a lush forest, a colorful parrot was admired by all for its bright feathers and sweet voice. A crow, feeling dull next to the parrot, asked, "Why does everyone love you and not me?" The parrot replied, "It's not about looks or songs. It's about kindness and how we treat others." One day, the parrot got caught in a net. Seeing this, the crow rushed to help, using his sharp beak to free the parrot. The parrot was grateful and said, "You are a true friend." Morale: true beauty lies in kindness and helping others, not in appearance. Thanks for watching.